Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download Instagram photos on mobile, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do first, you're gonna go ahead access your Instagram app. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna appear right here in this home section. After, you're gonna go ahead tap on this messenger icon on top right corner, and you can find this particular sender has sent you a photo. If you want to simply save it, you can tap on that particular photo and tap on this download icon that is given on the top right corner of the screen. You can simply go ahead, tap on it. You can see the photo is now saved. You're going to go back, go to your gallery, and you can see now that particular photo is saved just right there. Other thing that you have to make sure is if you have been sent a video or a photo that is only to view once by the sender itself, then you will only be able to view it once, and then you won't be able to save it in your gallery because that particular icon won't appear on the screen only. That is the way. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.